Hello, families, and welcome to our virtual curriculum night. I want to take a few minutes, walk you through a couple of things, and let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is booking a family conversation. I've met with about 92 of you, I think, at this point, so almost 100. I'm almost 2/3 of the way done, but I still haven't met with about 50 of you. So how you're going to do that is talk to your child, and when they go to Schoology and they go to courses and they choose language arts, the very first option here will be family conversation. To do that, you just click and follow it just like a hair appointment, and my schedule will pop up. I have a number of evening hours and Saturday hours for you to find a time that works for you, and I can meet you. I tell my students, how can I possibly teach you without meeting the people who love you most in the world? So that's why I want to meet. This is taking, oh, there we go. Okay, so you'll just book the time here, and now you know how to book the family conversation. Those will be about 10 minutes long. The next thing that I want to show you is helping your child use Schoology. So when they're in Schoology, if they go to the materials section, here will be the link to the class meeting. And here's a fabulous video I did on how to use Schoology. The most important things are whatever is the current week. And if they open that up, that has the schedule and the links for the week, and then it has the assignments for the week. In the schedule, you'll see what we're going to be doing in class, what they need to have ready, and it also has the links there. There are 3 ways for them to find the Teams meeting. One is this way, by going to this week's schedule and links. The second way is through this icon right here, the calendar icon on Schoology. If they click that, then they will have in their week, so for example, as I'm recording this today, they'll find the meeting there, and then on their schedule on Schoology, they can open it up, and then the link is right there. The third way that they can find the link is on their Outlook calendar. And in the Outlook calendar, they'll go and they will right-click on the meeting, which will be in their calendar, and the very top option will be Join Teams Meeting, and they can join that way. That's what I would encourage them to do, is go through Outlook. That's the one that's going, if I'm going to cancel a meeting, they'll find it there, or if I'm going to make them, if I'm going to require them for something, then they'll know there. So that's definitely the best place to go. I also want to take a moment to show you one more thing on Schoology, and then I'm going to talk to you about using Onenote. On Schoology, as we go back to I wonder if it's going to let me. The other thing that you'll find in Schoology is in the blue folder, that has the previous week. So if they fall behind, they can find the previous week's work there. And the other thing is that in the green folder, you'll find the resources. This has my syllabus, and probably more importantly, it has family technology help. There's a lot of information here if you would find that useful. I'll go ahead and show you on OneNote, where we'll be doing most of our work. There's a collaboration space where students will be collaborating with one another on various projects. And then there's the content library, which is, if they can't find something, chances are it's in the content library, especially in resources. For example, including exemplary margin notes. So they have those as examples. And also exemplary word art. So, and then the syllabus will be here also. They also have their individual folders, and most of their work they'll be turning in the independent work folder. The last thing I want to leave you with tonight is an explanation of alphas and omegas. Because the classes are so big, for the Thursday and Friday class, I've split it in half. And so I'll teach half of them in the morning and the other half in the afternoon. It makes more work for me, but it's worth it because the quality of what happens in that small group is significantly higher. And so I'm happy to do that for them. And it's taking them a few minutes to get adjusted to it. But it seems to be working out. The last few things here are I try my best to respond to emails from students within 24 hours and from adults within 48 hours on school days. If you're interested in following along with what's happening inside the classroom, my Twitter handle is Teaching is Fire. And then if you have any questions, please email me at rerussell@seattleschools.org. I look forward to seeing you in person, and thank you for letting me teach your child.